Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you this beautiful altered frame. This majority of the items on here are from Dollarama. Can you believe that? So this was created using Dollarama products, except for a couple, and I'll just go over a couple with you. So I got this frame, and I love that it had the flowers and that on it, so it wasn't so bare when I had it on there. So kind of worked out really great. So that's that. And it was only $2.50. Then the bigger flowers here are these ones here from Dollarama. And they are paper flowers. And I just cut the stems off and hot glued everything on. Inside I have here and a couple up here, and that you'll see are just these flowers here. And again, they're just paper flowers with stems. That's that there. And then you'll see a few cloth pieces. So you can see it here. There's a pink one, and then there's this white one down here. And that's these two. So yep, so it's almost like a 5-leaf clover is kind of what it looks like, flower. And this floral one here, and they're both lace. And that's what I added in a couple pieces just to add some other texture to it. And then this butterfly is these paper butterflies here, and that's from Dollarama. And of course, these pieces here are also from Dollarama. So majority of this is Dollarama edition. These butterflies were just from a punch that I got from Michael's, and then the trim is just collection over what people have given me. I believe this one is from Dollarama. But yeah, so I just thought I would share with you how easy and how beautiful things can look with Dollarama items. They're coming in with really amazing items, and I just wanted to share with you this beautiful creation. I already shared a picture with the person who had ordered it from me, so she absolutely loves it. And yeah, so I thought I would share with you guys this beautiful altered frame, majority of it from Dollarama, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.